Hey folks, Saksham this side from Ace IPM. Now that your board examinations are just around the corner and IPMAT is also not very far away, I totally understand that many of you would be feeling anxious. Many of you would be trying to scour through the internet to find the perfect schedule to balance your boards and IPMAT preparation. Well, in this video, I'm going to answer exactly that and also the launch of Express 3.0 batch. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, before I come to the schedule, the link of which I'll share down in the description as well, I want to let you know that we are launching our Express batch, Express 3.0 batch, starting 15th of January. We've launched this batch in the last 2 years as well with great success. This year, it comes with a slight twist. For the last 2 years, it was also a batch where we conducted online classes. In this batch this year, however, we are not going to be conducting any live classes before your board examinations because the time that we are left with is very limited. After boards, however, you have live classes available, which will range from 6 to 8 hours every single day. And in that case as well, you have an option to either attend all the live classes online or you can attend the classes in a hybrid manner where you can come to our experience center in Noida Sector 2 and attend the conceptual lectures, conceptual live classes offline for 3 hours and attend the practice classes at night from the comfort of your home. More on that will be shared later. We also have a promo code available since Ace IPM has completed 4 years since its inception. But I'll drop the tidbits as and when the video goes. But now coming back to the schedule and now coming to the 3 categories of students that we have. First one being the people who have covered more than 80% of syllabus. Kudos, good job, you have done a lot on yourself and I believe अगर आपने इतना syllabus खुद से cover कर ही लिया है तो you kind of understand आपको क्या करना है आगे क्या नहीं करना है. तो मेरी advice anyway would not be very helpful for you guys. What I can tell from my end is कि at least आप हफ्ते का एक इंदौर का mock तो दीजिए. That should be the bare minimum that you are doing. And उसके साथ साथ आपको that mock should be your North Star metric to address what your strengths are, your weaknesses are, and then you can essentially, basis of your analysis, you can do the revision, you can keep on solving questions and practicing, and that should be your end goal. आपने already बहुत अच्छा करा है, अब just same level पे same strategy आप follow करें and make sure कि आप boards को भी neglect ना कर रहे हैं. Now coming to the second category of students, it's good that you have at least taken an initiative of starting your preparation early, but it's okay even if you're covered anywhere between 40 to 80% of the syllabus. What you should be doing right now is that कि आपको mocks तो देना ही है, but साथ में you also have to figure out a way in which आप बाकी जितना आपको syllabus रह रहा है, you are able to cover that before boards as well. I'm not asking you to cover all the syllabus in its entire depth. What I'm asking you to do is कि आप at least इतने surface level पे चीजें कर लो कि आप mocks देने के लिए ready हो जाओ. How can you do that? For example, algebra को उठाते हैं. That's one entire module, right? For that particular module, if you're not enrolled in Ace IPM, if you're not enrolled elsewhere, आप YouTube पे जाइए. Try to find a revision video for algebra in its entirety, जिसके अंदर आपको सारी चीजें थ्योरी लेवल पे कंप्लीट हो. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी जो भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के फॉर्मूला हैं, जितनी भी अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज हैं, लीनियर इक्वेशन है, बाकी जितनी भी चीजें आती है अलजेब्रा में, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज कवर्ड और एट अ वेरी सरफेस लेवल, जिसमें थ्योरी आपके formulas covered है. साथ में हर टॉपिक के में भी 10-15 questions. All of that is something that you can do over your weekends. आप सैटरडे संडे निकालते हैं, दिन में 3-4 घंटा देते हैं, तो आप ऐसे करके एक एक मॉड्यूल उठा के सरफेस लेवल पे कर सकते हैं. आप ये कर लेंगे तो एटलीस्ट व्हेन यू आर गिविंग मॉक्स यू विल हैव अ प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ठीक है, मुझे सब कुछ एटलीस्ट सरफेस लेवल पे आता है, तो एटलीस्ट आई एम इन अ पोजीशन टू गिव मॉक्स, अंडरस्टैंड वेयर आई एम गोइंग रॉन्ग एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली प्लान माय प्रिपरेशन आफ्टर माय बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन डू बिफोर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. Now comes the third category of people. भाई आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी because what you need to understand is कि IPMAT as an examination is competitive. हर साल बच्चे ज़्यादा बढ़ते हैं and the competition is growing year after year. And on an average अगर हम देखें, basis of our data that we have of our students for the past 4 years is that on an average एक बच्चा जो IPMAT निकालता है, they are preparing for around 300 to 500 hours of time. अब अगर बोर्ड्स के बाद आपके पास you only have 40 days left, that would essentially mean कि आप दिन के 12 घंटे without fail पढ़ रहे हैं, which is actually not humanly possible. So in that case, rather than leaving everything after boards, it's essential that you try to cover those hours right now as well. जो बच्चे हमारे single digit rankers हैं, last year we had all India rank 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब उन बच्चों को देखोगे तो they have covered like 800, 900 or even 1000 hours of preparation. So चलो हमें उस लेवल पे नहीं जाना, हमें फिर भी इंश्योर करना है कॉलेज मिले चाहे रैंक कोई भी आए. तो इन दैट केस आपको ट्राई करना है कि वो जितने आवर्स आपको पुट इन करने हैं वो आप अभी से करते जाओ. अभी से आपको दिन का 2-3-4 घंटा देना पड़ेगा बिफोर बोर्ड्स आपके आ रहे हैं. उसके बाद बोर्ड्स में भी ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम हो रहे हैं, आपके बीच में टाइम मिलता है, उस टाइम में भी आपको आधा 1-2 घंटा निकालना पड़ेगा कि आप अपना एटलीस्ट बेसिक चीजें करते हुए जाओ. अब इनमें आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है? फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि आपको अपने वीकनेसेस पहले वाले जो 2 कैटेगरी है वो अपने वीकनेस पे फोकस कर सकते हैं, बट इन योर केस यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर वीकनेस एट ऑल। आ वीकनेस, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक नॉन मैथ स्टूडेंट हूं, मैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री करने में जितना टाइम लगाऊंगा शायद उतने में मेरा पूरा अरिथमेटिक वाला सेक्शन हो जाए। फॉर यू द गोल इज नॉट टू वर्क ऑन योर वीकनेसेस राइट नाउ, द गोल इज टू मैक्सिमाइज द नंबर ऑफ टॉपिक्स दैट यू कैन सॉल्व। As a non-math student, I feel arithmetic is something that I can do, I am strong with, तो at least मैं वो वाला part पहले करूंगा। Second thing that you need to look at is कि आपका सिर्फ IP MAT इंदौर is not the only exam that you should be targeting. There are other exams that you need to take care of as well. Be it IP MAT Rohtak, be it JIPMAT, be it other private examinations. सारे एग्जाम का सिलेबस देखिए, see the overlaps in the topics. Let's say for example, higher math is something जो सिर्फ IP MAT इंदौर में पूछा जाता है, कुछ आपका NPAT में पूछा जाता है, तो उस पार्ट को you can leave for a later date if in case you find that is a weak spot for you. एंड बाकी जितना भी कॉमन सिलेबस है सब में वो आप पहले करिए। दैट विल एसेंशियली मेक यू रेडी फॉर ऑल द एग्जाम एंड नॉट जस्ट IP MAT इंदौर। सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू, बट या please make sure you are disciplined, please make sure you are able to do the syllabus right from now and you are very consistent with your preparation. I'm not saying that people who are preparing after their board examinations are over, those who are starting their preparation at that level, that time, they won't be able to crack the exam. There will be certain few number of students जो उस time preparation करके भी निकालेंगे, but for an average crowd, it is essential कि आप अपना extra effort डाल रहे हो और वो आप अपना extra effort अभी से डालोगे, the earlier the better. Now, in that case, now that we have covered these 3 category of people, जो आपका schedule रहेगा वो हम description में डाल देंगे. That schedule is essentially the schedules for Express 3.0 batch. The way this batch is going to run is that आप, as I mentioned earlier as well, we understand कि सब लोग अलग stage of preparation पे हैं. So for all that, taking that into consideration, आप fresher हो या आप dropper हो, आपका 80% syllabus हुआ है, 40 हुआ है, 20 हुआ है, 0 है, उसके basis पे we have planned out different schedules that you need to follow. And हर category के बच्चे को एक different type of goals होंगे. For example, category 1 students should essentially focus and they'll really benefit from the mocks that we have, the sectionals that we have, the weekly tasks that we have on our platform, practice tests that we have on our platform, then the revision series that is available. So that will essentially help you revise and maximize your score going forward. For category 2 people, as I mentioned कि आप एक module उठाएं उसे एक साथ करें. For that, there are marathon sessions available from last year which were taken by Swapnil, which cover all these modules, साथ में हर topic के 10-15 question in a time frame of 7 to 8 hours of time. So again, over the weekends, you can do that and cover your syllabus effectively. For the category 3rd, एवरी डोर इज ओपन फॉर यू. आपको कंसेप्चुअल लेक्चर से पढ़ना है, हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. आपको लाइव क्लासेस लेनी है तो हसलर की लाइव क्लास चल रही है, 50% सिलेबस हो गया, बाकी 50% का यू कैन टेक द लाइव क्लास. आपको लाइव क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी है तो पिछले हर बैच की लाइव क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है. बुक्स आपके घर पे आ जाएंगी. आपके पास सारे ऑप्शंस ओपन है, बट आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि आप डिसिप्लिन होकर आज से पढ़ने बैठ रहे हो. सो दैट इज द गोल फॉर यू गाइस. So that is how the schedule is going to run for all the 3 category of people. After you are done with your board examinations is when our crash course will start, जिसके अंदर आपकी दिन की 6-8 घंटे की क्लास हो रही होगी. वो सबका एक्सेस आपको मिलेगा. आज अगर आप एनरोल कर रहे हैं तो आज से पहले जितने भी बैच लॉन्च हुए हैं और आज के बाद जितने भी बैच लॉन्च होंगे for the year 2025, all of that will be available to you. So those crash course live classes are available to you, which will go on for 6 to 8 hours of time. In that, you have an option to either take all the classes online, or we will have some conceptual classes in the morning or afternoon shift that you can take offline at Sector 2 Noida at our experience center, and you can take the practice classes which will happen late at night at the comfort of your home. So that option is available for you. A lot of students want to enroll for ACE-IPM, but they come to us and tell ki finance is becoming an issue. So we have tried to price this particular course as reasonably as possible. As I mentioned, ACE-IPM has turned 4 this year. So for that, we have a coupon code available, B-Day sale, which will give you additional discount. After that discount, the course will be available for as low as 15,000. The price will vary whether you want the offline books or not, or whether you want the offline classes or not. Basis of these 2 factors, the pricing will vary anywhere between 15 to 25. And you can check out all our offerings, and everything is going to be included as a part of this course. जो भी चीजें हम standard features देते हैं, चाहे हो वो conceptual lectures, lecture based quizzes, live classes, after boards, आपकी live classes जो हैं offline लेनी है, आपको online लेनी है, that is a feature that is available going forward. उसके बाद आपके पास अवेलेबल होंगी, अगर आप बुक्स लेते हैं तो आपके पास 20 बुकलेट का सेट आपके पास डिलीवर होगा. एंड इसके अलावा आपके डाउट्स रहते हैं तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे वो सारे डाउट सॉल्व होंगे. आपका कोई भी नॉन एकेडमिक डाउट रहता है तो यू कैन टेक अ 1-on-1 mentorship session on Zoom and address all your queries by sitting with an IP MAT senior. So all of that is available. The batch is starting from 15th of January. You can head on to our website, book a free counseling session, understand things about the course, about IPM and everything that you need a clarity on, and basis of that you can take a call whether you want to enroll or not. If you do enroll, I'll see you on the other side. Until then, stay safe, take care, all the best, and ACE IPM. Bye bye. Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.